Well, hello there. We are on site again at the Rapid Cosmetic Reno happening here. I've just missed the waterproofers. They have been in and done their magic. The sun's catching the glint in the camera, as you can see, but that's all freshly, whatever you call it, painted or laid, waterproofing. The walls, the shower, the bath's in there, and that's all being prepared. Now they're coming back tomorrow as well to do a final coat, and they've done the other bathroom as well, which I'll show in a moment. Now, I've been bringing the tiles in, and what you want to do is you want to place the tiles nice and close to where the tiler is going to use them, making his job a little bit easier as we go through this reno. I'm going to quickly duck to this other room and show you the waterproofing there. And there we go. That is all been waterproofed. We can't get around the corner there into the shower, and obviously the cavity slide has not gone in yet to that bathroom. But it's wonderful to come up and see things every couple of days and how that's moving. This is all being managed pretty much on phone while I'm at work running the business and filming events, in particular for Naomi Finlay's Rapid Renovation formula, which is being used on this. Now the good news is the kitchen was meant to be 2 weeks. They've brought it in about 7 days, so the kitchen's actually getting delivered, and we are technically ahead of schedule, so this is good news. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the updates and have a great day.